Yo, what's up, Tech Fam? It's your boy, DK Reviews, back here, and today we're diving into the hottest rumor in the phone-averse, the iPhone 16 Ultra. Is it real? What can we expect? And will it finally dethrone the Android overlords? Buckle up, because this is gonna be epic. Hype it up. Mark my words, 2024 is gonna be the year of the iPhone. Apple's been cooking up something special, and the whispers point to a phone so revolutionary, so ultra, it'll redefine what a smartphone can be. Leaks hint at a design overhaul, camera tech that puts your DSLR to shame, and features that'll blow your mind. Let's get into the juicy details, shall we? Features and rumors. New design, ditch the notch, say hello to an under-display Face ID and slim bezels. Imagine edge-to-edge glory, the phone practically disappearing in your hand. Camera beast, prepare for quad-lens insanity, with a periscope zoom that'll bring distant objects within arm's reach. Think professional-grade photography in your pocket. M2 Ultra chip, get ready for unleashed power. This next-gen chip will take multitasking to the next level, making even the most demanding apps feel like butter. iRevolution, Apple's got their secret sauce brewing, and it's called Generative AI. Imagine a phone that anticipates your needs, writes your emails, and even creates personalized art. Crazy, right? ProMotion display, say goodbye to lag, hello to 120Hz refresh rate everywhere. Your games will be smoother, your scrolling silky smooth, and your eyes will thank you. Battery life for days, no more battery anxiety. The iPhone 16 Ultra is rumored to have optimizations that'll leave even power users amazed. But wait, there's more. Solid-state buttons, no more clicky clacks, just smooth, haptic feedback. Wi-Fi 7, get ready for hyperspeed internet on the go. Titanium build, for an ultra-premium, ultra-durable feel. Is the iPhone 16 Ultra the phone to end all phones? Well, the jury's still out. But one thing's for sure, Apple's playing for keeps this time. The rumors are fire, the hype is real, and this phone has the potential to be a game-changer. Stay tuned, Tech Fam, because the iPhone 16 Ultra is coming, and it's gonna be a wild ride. Call to action. What are your predictions for the iPhone 16 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns that'll blow your mind. Peace out.